So now over 100 courses attracted less than 10 students in the 2023 university placement cycle. Meanwhile, majority of students who scored a grade A plane in the 2022 KCSE exams will join the University of Nairobi. Now, data from the Kenya University and Colleges Central Placement Service, that is KUPS, now shows that 418 students who scored a grade A plane will join the University of Nairobi, while 264 will go to Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology, commonly known as JKUAT. As Shadrach Miti now reports, education remains the overall most popular course, with nearly 30,000 students out of 140,000 placed in universities opting for Bachelor of Education.
A total of 1,154 students who scored a grade A plane in the 2022 Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education were placed by the Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Service to pursue degree courses in various public and private universities. The University of Nairobi received 418 students, making it the most popular among top students who scored a grade A plane. Other universities with the highest number of top students are Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology with 264 students, Kenyatta University 151 grade A students, Moi University 71, Egerton 58, and Maseno University 53 grade A plane students. Others were Technical University of Kenya 38, Masinde Muliro University of Science and Technology, and Kisii Universities 22 students each, Multimedia University 15, and Uzima University 12 students. Interestingly, out of 70 universities that posted their details on KUPS portal, only 20 attracted grade A plane students. 9 of those universities, among them Daystar, Kibabii, Mount Kenya, and Dedan Kimathi universities, attracted between 1 to 9 grade A plane students. In terms of course choice and preference, majority of grade clinical medicine, architecture, civil, aeronautical, electrical and electronic engineering, computer science, and pharmacy. However, education still remains the most popular course among university students, with 2023 university placement cycle showing that out of 140,000 students who are placed, about 30,000 will pursue Bachelor of Education. Other popular courses which attracted between 1,000 to 3,000 students are Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Commerce, Computer Science, Bachelor of Science in IT, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, Bachelor of Science in Human Resource Management and Criminology, and Security Studies. 122 courses attracted less than 10 students each, among them Accounting and Financial Management, Bachelor of Science in Agroforestry and Rural Development, Climate Change and Sustainable Development, Forestry, Water Resource and Environment Management, Theology, and Fisheries and Aquaculture. Meanwhile, 18 courses attracted just 1 student each, among them Soil Science, Water Resource and Environment Management, Horticulture, and Bachelor of Science in Food Security.
They need to look at and see, is it cost effective to run a program where you have you're not able to attract students, but you're still paying faculty. They all have to attract professors. What does it cost to pay the professors, and how many students can we take per class? So you find the programs that have many, can take many students, tend to be cheaper because the cost of, that cost is spread out among them.
Overall, 76,971 male students and 63,136 female students are expected to join university in September. 130,485 of them will join public universities, as 9,622 will join private universities.
In the past, we had about 20,000 students going for private. This time we had less than 10,000.
Shadrach Miti, KTN News.
So now, Forum for African Women Education is Kenya.